Hi there, this is the part 2 of our image optimization video. If you have not already watched part 1, please go ahead and watch part 1 first and then come back to this video. You can watch part 1 here in the video series. So this is the part 1 of image optimization video. Please watch this and come back. So in previous tutorial we saw that we can use lazy loading feature with the help of lazy loading extensions to load images on the go. So as we scroll on the page with the help of lazy loading feature, the images will be loaded on demand. So lazy loading is a good feature, though it has a drawback. It impacts largest contentful page. As we discussed earlier, LCP is the time taken to load the largest element on the page. Let's say we have implemented lazy loading feature on all the images of our website, and if some images are part of above the fold content, then those images will not be downloaded by the browser will basically prefer other resources to load first, because those images are not required right now, because it is waiting for us to scroll to those images, then it will download. So this behavior is going to impact our LCP. So let's say one image is part of above the fold. By above the fold, I mean the contents. When the page is loaded, the content which is visible on the first screen, that is called above the fold contents. And if there is an image which is part of lazy loading, so it is not downloaded yet because it was not required as of now, then this behavior is going to impact LCP, because LCP is the time taken by largest contentful paint, and let's say this image is part of LCP, then this is going to impact LCP because it is still waiting for this image to be downloaded. So this is the challenge we are going to face with lazy loading feature if we are implementing lazy loading feature. Now the option we have right now is either we have to remove the lazy loading feature, or if we still want lazy loading feature also to be present there, then we have a solution that we have to fix the content which is above the fold. So what we can do is we need to remove lazy loading feature from images which are above the fold content. So we can use img or picture tag directly instead of using the lazy loading feature. So any image which is part of LCP and lazy loading is implemented, for that we have to separate that, we have to remove lazy loading feature from those images, and we have to use standard approach for those images so that lazy loading is not impacted. Those images are directly downloaded as the page is loaded. They don't wait for us to scroll down, and in this way it is not going to impact the LCP. So basically we have to separate above the fold content and below the fold content. For above the fold content we don't have to use lazy loading feature. For below the fold content we can use lazy loading feature. Also, if you are not using the lazy loading feature, then we don't have to download lazy loading extension also, which is also going to help us improve the performance. The lesser the extension that we have on our website, the better the performance will be. So we have to be very careful of this. We have to install as less extension on our website as possible. Now in previous video we also talked about image formats. So basically WebP is a latest image format which is quite popular. It is lightweight compared to JPEG and PNG, which takes less resources to be downloaded in the browser, though this image format is not supported out of box in Magento. So one approach was to install some extensions which can convert our normal format images to WebP format images. Now instead of using extension to convert a JPEG or PNG image to WebP image format, we have a better alternative available here. That alternative is the use of CDN. Now there are many CDN providers who gives us feature to convert JPEG or PNG images to WebP image format. So if we are using CDN, we are getting many benefits out of it. One is it will upload all static resources to be downloaded directly from our browser. Second, it will also convert the images to WebP format on the fly. So I will strongly recommend to use CDN providers to convert the JPEG images to WebP images on the fly. I know about two very popular CDN provider in Magento. One is Fastly, which is available out of box in Magento Cloud projects. So if you are using Magento Cloud project, it is automatically installed in your Magento project. You get the Fastly access as well as Fastly is already installed on your server. So this is the best out of box CDN solution if you are using Magento Cloud project. You have everything available to you. You just need to configure things from admin panel. Now another popular CDN provider is Cloudflare, which also helps us to optimize images and convert it to WebP format. Fastly provides us a lot of image optimization techniques which you can see in this documentation. I will share the documentation link. We will discuss more about these configurations in our CDN implementation video. So please do watch the CDN implementation video to understand the benefits of it. Thank you.